Hey angels, welcome back to another video. So let's make another candle. So this Pitbull mold I got from Etsy's. The seller is no longer on there, so I can't really give you guys the link. But if you just type in puppy molds on Etsy's or candle making molds, you're gonna see a ton of these just keep on popping up. So it's very easy to find. And then this candle that I have over in the corner, I got from Target. You're gonna need your candle wax thread and needle, and that's about it. You can already see that this mold cannot stand on its own, so I'm gonna have to put something at both sides in order to keep it standing up. But yeah, so this is the candle that I'm gonna be melting down. So firstly I have to break it apart and then put it in the pot so it can melt. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right here, using my scissors to break it up. I don't know why I'm making my life so hard. It would have been better to just start from the top instead of starting from the bottom. But you live and you learn. See? Voila. And that should be enough candle to melt down. So I'm just going to turn on the pot and then just have it melt. And then when it's fully melt down, then I can just pour it into the mold. And that's basically it. Oh, I forgot to put the wick in the mold. So with a giant needle, I'm just going to be threading it. Just like how you thread a needle and a thread. Needle and thread. And just pop it in. Voila. Just like that. Looking pretty good. For a second there, I forgot how I'm supposed to put the mold back together so that it doesn't leak out. So it took me a minute. I was like, why is this thing keep on falling out? Is it supposed to go right there? Why is it not standing steady? Why is it still open? It was a lot. But eventually I got it. And since the mold wasn't standing on its own, it was very confusing because you can see that big space in between. It wasn't closing up. I was trying to figure out why that was. So I was trying to put it together and then clumping it up. And then this thing kept on falling off. Yeah. I got it on the first try, but the rest of the other times it was not trying to cooperate with me. But eventually I got it. I don't know why I didn't get something to just put it on both sides so I can just clean it up instead of just being here struggling, but I don't know. I guess I was tired and I was making a ton of candles this night, so yeah. I'm just gonna cut the extra wick up top. Or I think I already cut it. I guess I already cut it. And now I can start pouring down the candle into the mold. Again, I forgot to put something at the side so it wouldn't lean. So I had to be using my hand to hold it up, and then so the candle ran off on my hand, which eventually burned my hand. So this is why I said this video is all over the place. I was trying to find something close by to lean it up with. So I ended up finding this Sprite, 2-gallon Sprite, and that's where I burned my hand. 2-gallon Sprite, and then this candle that I haven't finished cutting up yet. And voila. Just gonna keep pouring it. I'm gonna let it dry. Once it dry, once it dry, the candle is gonna like sink in, and then I'm just gonna use my hot glue gun to just heat it up and then pour more candle on top so that it can even it out. I don't think I showed that step. I don't know. Maybe I did, maybe not. We'll see where this is going. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Okay, so obviously the candle did not turn out that great, so I decided to just melt it down. And I decided to change the color and go with gray, but I still melt down the candle but poured it in something else. So I actually poured the color gray candle in here, and I don't know what was going on in my mind, but the same way how I demolded in the first video is the same way how I demolded in this one. So you're gonna see what happened right here. Yep, the back of the foot broke off. So I was gonna melt it back down again, but I was like, you know what, forget it, it doesn't matter. But I was able to obviously take it out of the mold. Only one foot broke off, but now I know how to get it out of the mold. I don't know why I repeat the first step that I did. It's like, I don't know what was going on in my mind, but eventually I got it, so that was good, I guess. I'm gonna show you guys me lighting the candle, and that's gonna be it. So I cut the wick way too short, so when I first lighted it went out, and I just light it back again, and thank goodness that it's still lighting and everything is good. So win-win on that end. Look good as it's burning, pretty cute. I love how detailed this mold is. So I decided it would be a great idea to paint the eyes and the nose. I end up not really liking it.
The eyes are so messed up, like in the video.
I should just left it the way how it was, but yeah, that's it. Bye.
So detailed. I love it. So cute. And this is the part that broke off. I'm gonna like heat it up and then attach it together, but this is how it's looking for the time being. this around a little bit. And I got a cute little tail. So gorgeous. I love the detail on this. Spinning, keep spinning. Oops, so cute. There's some paint on there. I think some gold paint. I was painting something else. And voila. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.